Hello everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own banner for your Shopify store. So let's start the process. So from your Canva dashboard, go to Create, and then Custom Size. So I'm going to use 1200 and 400 pixel, then select Create New Design. So you can see all the templates that you can use for your shop here. But I would like to make a banner for my clothing store. So I'll go to the search bar and type clothing. So from this search bar, I can find my template or a template that I can use for my clothing brand. Just select the design that you would like to use here. I'm going to use this one. Then you can customize all the details of the design, including the text or the other elements. So for example, this one, I'm gonna change it to men's sportswear. So I'm gonna change the size as well, and including this. Okay, I'm gonna move it a little bit and also change the size of the text. Then I'm going to change the photos. You can upload your product photo here or any photos that you wanted to use. So once your product photos are uploaded, just select them and then drag them to the design that you would like to replace. So that's it. And we're done with our first banner. So let's download the design by clicking the share, press download, and then choose PNG file. Then size should be the highest and press download. So we are now done with our first design. Let's make another one without using any template. So same process, just go to create and then custom size 1200 by 400. Then select create new design. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to add text. So click text, then add a heading. Then I'm gonna change the text to coming soon. And to change font, just go here. Then choose the right font that you'd like to use. So I'm gonna use this one. So let's add some designs by clicking elements. And then I'm going to search clothing on the search bar. Then in photo section, select see all. So you can check all the photos that you can use here. So I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna resize and position the image. So because the image has different color from the background, what I'm going to do is to select the background color based on the image. So we will match the background color with the image. We're going to use the color picker. I'm going to select this color and press done. Okay, so it's now matched. So let's move the text in here. And on the upper menu, you can also change the spacing of the text. So once you're satisfied with the design, just go to share, download, and then file format to PNG or JPEG, and then change the size to max and the quality and press download. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to learn more about e-commerce, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. And if you have any question, please leave us a comment. See ya!